Have you just learned that someone close to you passed away in Germany and now you're wondering what happens next? If you live in the United States, Canada and the United Kingdom, dealing with a German estate can feel overwhelming. Different language, different laws and very different risks. My name is Markus Hosser, I'm a German lawyer, and for more than 17 years I have advised international clients on German inheritance matters and cross-border estate planning, especially clients from the United States, Canada and the United Kingdom. In this video I'd like to give you a first overview of how a German estate can be handled from abroad and what you should be aware of early on. You have likely just experienced a personal loss. That alone is emotionally challenging. At the same time, life doesn't stop. You still have work, family and everyday responsibilities, and now you're suddenly faced with the task of dealing with an inheritance in another country. That can be exhausting and confusing. When an estate is located in Germany, additional challenges often arise. You don't speak German and are unfamiliar with the German probate system. You may not even know yet whether you inherited anything at all, and while you may be willing to take care of the matter yourself, you simply don't know where to start. If any of this sounds familiar, you are not alone. One of the very first and most important steps is to clarify whether you actually inherited anything from the deceased. Unfortunately, there are many fraudulent emails circulating that claim you've inherited money abroad. Their sole purpose is to trick recipients into sending money or personal information. So, before you take any further steps, it's essential to verify whether a real inheritance exists. If you learned about the death through family members or relatives, try to gather more information from them first. Often, relatives have some insight into whether the deceased left a will or passed away without one. If there is a will, the next step is to understand what it says, especially whether you are named as an heir or beneficiary and what you may be entitled to receive. If you are entitled to receive something, you should also clarify what type of assets are involved, where those assets are located, and roughly what they may be worth. For example, does the estate include German real estate, a German bank account, or other assets located in Germany? Because all of this uncertainty, many people wait, hoping that someone will contact them or take care of things. For a German inheritance, that can be a serious mistake. Unlike in the US or the UK, there's no automatic system in Germany that protects your inheritance. Under German inheritance law, an executor or estate administrator is not automatically appointed. In most cases, the heirs themselves are responsible for taking action. Apart from formally opening the will, the German probate court usually does not step in to protect the estate, unless someone actively initiates proceedings. That means that in certain situations, a German inheritance can be at risk if no one acts. So, to sum it up, Doing nothing is usually not a good option. Taking some initial steps early allows you to decide whether and how you want to proceed with inheritance. I hope these initial insights help you better understand your situation and your options. If you are dealing with a German inheritance from abroad and would like a better understanding of your situation, you can find further information on our website. Thank you for watching.